1986, the first message was sent via the ARPANET, a U.S. Department of Defense network and precursor to the global internet. 3 years later, John Postel started to record socket numbers for the ARPANET in his notebook. This registry eventually became the Internet Assigned Numbers Authority, IANA, which manages the coordination of the domain name system.
ICANN was founded in 1998 and grew out of a U.S. government committed to transfer the policy and technical management of the DNS to a non-profit corporation based in the U.S. with global participation. The IANA stewardship transition was completed in October 2016 thanks to the work dedication of the Internet community worldwide.
So for the contribution of ICANN in networking, so have you ever wondered how website and device on the internet has a unique identity? So that's where ICANN comes in. So first, I can manage the domain name system or the DNS and IP address allocation. This ensures that every device and website has a unique identifier, preventing conflicts and keeping internet traffic flowing smoothly. So without it, the internet would be chaotic. So I can also help maintain internet security and stability. It develops policies to prevent DNS abuse that tackle cybersecurity threats. So this ensure network remain um, secure and reliable for everyone. So for the root service system, uh, it will be discussed with my group mate.
Some of the examples of ICANNs implemented was ICANN DNS management. No easy to remember website names. So we all know that IP addresses is used to access any website, but imagine typing 172.217 and etc. instead of google.com. The internet would be incredibly user unfriendly and much less accessible in that case. So with the use of ICANN DNS, it helped us to access website easily. So the second one is the internationalized domain names or IDN. ICANN made it possible to have domain names in other languages rather than English, using scripts like Arabic, Chinese, and Cyrillic. This has been huge for making the internet more accessible to people worldwide who don't use the Latin alphabet. Imagine trying to navigate the web if you could only type website addresses in English. It must be hard. The DNS was standardized in 1980s with ICANN managing its stability since 1998. ICANN continuously updates standards to enhance security and efficiency.
New GTLD program. ICANN oversaw the introductions of hundreds of new domain extensions beyond the familiar of ICOM, iOrg, and iNet. This has led domain names like .app, .blog, .shop, and many more. This provides more choices for individuals and businesses and can make web addresses more relevant and meaningful.